Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a toucan using a paper plate. These are the materials you're going to need. Scissors, a pencil, a stapler, paintbrushes, paint, and a paper plate. I did want to mention that the paint is optional. You guys can also use markers, color pencils, or crayons. Okay, so first we're going to start off by cutting our paper in half. So to help guide you, you can go ahead and just draw a line straight down the middle of the plate. Okay, now grab your scissors and cut right down the line. So now that our paper plate is cut in half, we're going to start cutting out the tail of the toucan. Okay, so the top part is going to be the head, and then the bottom part is going to be the body. So we're going to cut out the tail of the toucan from the body. So go ahead and just trace your tail. Alright, now grab your scissors and cut the tail out. So now you should have 3 pieces: the head, the tail, and the body. Alright, so now we're going to start drawing the face of the toucan, starting by drawing a line right down the middle of the paper plate. Okay, so next we're just going to draw a line connecting to the center line, and it's going to be a curved line like this. Next, draw a circle for your eye. So this last part is optional. It's just to add more color into the beak. So if you want, you can go ahead and draw these, and if you don't want to, that's totally okay. Okay, lastly we're just going to draw the body. It's just one line going down the middle and curving at the end. Okay, so now we're going to start painting. So we're going to need black, green, red, orange, and yellow. Okay, so we're going to start with the green, and we're just going to start painting this part of the beak. Alright, so now we're going to paint in this section of our bird with yellow. Now we're going to paint in this part using orange. Next we are painting this part with red. Now we're painting in this part using black. Lastly, for the head, we're going to paint in the eye black. Okay, so now that that's done, let's put it to the side so it can dry, and let's start painting our body. We're going to start with the black, and we're going to paint in this side. Alright, now we're going to paint the other side yellow. Alright, now let's put that to the side so it can dry. And lastly, we're going to paint our tail black. Now that our pieces are all dry, we're going to staple them together, starting with the head and the body. So make sure that the yellow and black are lined up like this. Okay, now staple this side first. Lastly, for the head and the body, we're going to staple this corner. Okay, now last step is to staple the tail. And that is how you make a toucan using a paper plate. Thank you guys for watching and have fun creating your toucans.